sit it out for tonight. Before the dawn, watch it all come alive. The storm swings, shakes, takes it up all in its might, before passing like all things into still night. The storm has passed now and you're home. Nothing to fear now that we've all grown. Nothing to fear now you never left, and you were always home. And the trees that have choked up this town will bear witness to who has found what when you and I and we are gone, my dear, will stay unsinging through the land. Those who left, who've gone, who've sank, shedding no tear. And if we capture each and every sound, perhaps then, in the end, we'll all sleep safe and sound. For when every stone has been turned and every lesson lost and learned, when all those deep lost cries become familiar, and the dense thick sheet of night becomes clearer, then you can say that you were always home without knowing which, what, and why this was your own. And you'll know the birds crying in the night, they cannot hear you. The river running wild and free, it cannot see you. The air, the wind, the sky, they do not need you. And the moments that you ride live on without you. These don't belong to any moment, any song, though they may lend you their call to bring it up, the last picture of our town, fill it up with moments that drown the smells, the sights, the heights they crown, flushed with pale light and memories barely found. And now the pictures, the images are scattered, and we know it's not as if it really mattered. And now they're gone, forgotten, their time has come. The land stays on and sings silent beneath the sun. And once you know they were here, and once you know they lost themselves here, and once you know, my dear, they found themselves here. Their flesh melting into current, their bones bending into rock, their veins running into crevice, their fingers drawn out into rock. Feeling ourselves dissolving, we meet this strange, long lost, deep found and warming feeling. But then the river pushed us back and moulded us into life, carried us back to the city, making us forget this sweet strife, making us forget this sweet life and move on into the light, and move on into the city light.
And the river runs fain with crushing wave, almighty bellow. And the river runs quiet through the heart of our valley. And the river runs out, oh, it travels on its own, from far away and right back to me.